Hi, I'm attorney Corey Walker, and since 1997, I've been representing Iowans in car crashes, work injuries, dog bites, and other personal injury matters. I became an injury attorney back in 1997 because my dad was also an attorney, and I saw firsthand how a qualified injury attorney can actually help a person not only financially with a settlement or a recovery, but also go through the process themselves as a counselor. As an attorney, we're attorneys and counselors, and so sometimes attorneys forget that we're supposed to be there to counsel our clients as well. This might mean giving a helping hand when they need something, just a phone call to keep them lifted up. Because when you're dealing with insurance companies, they will put a target on that injured person and throw as much mud as they can at that injured person. One of the most satisfying parts of my job is helping injured Iowans when an insurance company is treating them poorly. Yes, insurance companies are out there to collect premiums and do not necessarily like paying claims, even when there is a valid claim that should be paid. So for example, almost every week or two, a client comes into my office who should be receiving weekly workers' compensation benefits, but the insurance company, usually without any basis, decides not to pay that. Or there's medical care that's been recommended that the insurance company decides, no, we don't want to pay that. We're going to send you to this other doctor who we know what he's going to say. He's going to say you weren't injured. So we believe in the golden rule, and we treat our clients like we want to be treated ourselves. And so that means communication, responding to phone calls and emails as soon as we can. If we're not immediately available, one of our highly trained paralegals will deal with the situation the best they can and then schedule an appointment to talk to the attorney. So if you're considering hiring an attorney or just reaching out and getting some advice, feel free to give us a call because we're here to help.